Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Matrices have wide applications in engineering, physics, economics, and statistics as well as in various branches of mathematics. The numbers arranged in the matrix are called the elements, or entries, of the matrix. There are different types of matrices, and they are basically categorized on the basis of the value of their elements, their order, the number of rows and columns, etc. The different types of matrices we're going to see in this presentations are row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, singleton matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, and triangular matrix. Row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. The order of a row matrix is 1 by n. For example, the matrix A and B are row matrices as they have only one row. But the matrix C is not a row matrix since it has two rows. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. The order of a column matrix is m by 1. For example, the matrix A and B are column matrices as they have only one column. But the matrix C is not a column matrix since it has two columns. Zero matrix or null matrix. If all the elements are zero in a matrix, then it is called A and generally denoted by 0. For example, the matrix A is a zero matrix of order 2 by 3 and B are column matrices as they have only one column. But the matrix C is not a column matrix since it has two columns. Singleton matrix. If there is only one element in a matrix, it is called a singleton matrix. The order of singleton matrix is 1 by 1. The following are the examples of singleton matrices. Square matrix. If the number of rows and the number of columns in a matrix are equal, then it is called a square matrix. Your matrix has two rows and two columns, and thus it is a square matrix of order 2. Similarly, B is a square matrix of order 3 and C is a square matrix of order 1 as it has only one row and one column. Diagonal matrix. If all the elements, except the principal diagonal, in a square matrix, are 0, it is called a diagonal matrix. The special thing is that all the non-diagonal elements of this matrix are 0. That means only the diagonal has non-zero elements. There is one important thing to note here, that a diagonal matrix is always a square matrix. Scalar matrix. If all the elements in the diagonal of a diagonal matrix are equal, it is called a scalar matrix. Thus, a square matrix. We can see in the matrix A all diagonal elements are equal to 2 and non-diagonal elements are zeros. Unit matrix or identity matrix. If all the elements of a principal diagonal in a diagonal matrix are 1, it is called a unit matrix. A unit matrix is generally denoted by I. In examples given, A is identity matrix of order 3 and B is also an identity matrix of order 4. Triangular matrix. A square matrix is said to be a triangular matrix if the elements above or below the principal diagonal are 0, and there are of two types. Times upper triangular matrix which has all elements below diagonal equal to 0 and times lower triangular matrix which has all elements above diagonal equal to 0. In the examples given, matrix A has all its element below the diagonal equal to 0 and thus it is upper triangular matrix, whereas B is lower triangular since its elements above diagonal are equal to 0.